Hey there, Lafayette. Well, it's that time again. Time for another Teen LibCrate from Lafayette Public Library. Winter is coming. And the theme for this season's LibCrate is survival books. Let's see what you're going to get in your survival LibCrate. Each LibCrate is going to come with a young adult novel on the survival theme. See what happens when people are put in the most extreme situations and have to do what they need to survive. Remember, as always, just return the book and the box. The LibCrate always comes with our newsletter, so you know what's going on at all of our branches. As always, we have further recommended readings and a Spotify playlist. Follow the QR code on the bookmark and you'll find the playlist made specifically for our survival theme. Your LibCrate's gonna come with a bandana. Bandanas have a million uses in survival situations. You can wear it as a hat. You can wear it as a mask. You can use it to hold stuff. You can use it like a bag. You can use it to signal for help. Probably some other things you can do with it. Leave it in the comments. Your survival gear is going to come with something to eat. Check out these Black Forest fruit strips we got. That's pretty good. This is the kind of food that's going to last long. It's going to survive the apocalypse. Yeah, you're going to be able to make a paracord bracelet. Comes with this buckle. It has a compass and a whistle. I had it on upside down. I'm so sorry. Okay, it does work. The paracord bracelet, which is just helpful to have in the first place. The bracelet comes with a compass and a whistle, both great things to have if you are lost. All right, I'm probably gonna get in trouble if I keep doing this, so remember not to blow your whistle in the library. So register for your Survival Teen LibCrate today. You can pick those up starting December 9th. And have it in time for winter break. Keep on surviving, keep on reading.